Yes, it's monastery.
You know how much
What
more
the?
hair I have than him? This isn't what I was looking at, but I went wrong.
Gosh darn it. Alright, tap some guy all the way over there. Oh, look at that leg. I love it. It's like a teleportation leg. They're always gonna be behind you. This is a monastery. Damn it. Yep, it's an SMG. Oh, I hit him once for 27. I gotta get some knife kills. I need to go up high or something. I need to jump down like a bird. Ow! You jerk. Someone else then just. Oh. Tap shoot, tap shoot. Knife kill, tap shoot. I'm looking for knife kills or tap shoot. I get a one-hit headshot. Yeah. Oh, everyone knows I'm here! Oh, see that's a headshot. Screw you, you don't know I'm up here. Yes, I can shoot people now. Of course, he has the SG. Is he going all the way down? Did he just get knifed?
Yep. You're a jerk. You play for yourself, but you won't play for other people. You're a jerk.
This has a T-spawn. Kill someone to come out here. Yeah, it's just T-spawn. Play that. Hey, you should have knifed me.
I thought he
I deserve to get knifed.
After all you've done.
I mean, I felt like I'm winning.
You did. How would you like that at the game mode? It's like you walk out.
Oh my gosh.
You die.
Of course I died. Oh.
Oh wow. Just oops. You're dead. And you guys are
And headshot. From butt stallion. Get these carrots out of my face. Jesus. Of course, finish off my kills. Oh, I'm so confused. I hit him for 106 and 2. It's like he should be dead.
You should get an assist.
Mal, please fix.
They don't give you assists, right?
I hear scoping. Someone's sniping. Yep. No, no, no. No, no, no. No, no, no. Oh. I'm so mad that guy shot me. I should have jumped. So I was afraid of like jumping on his head. Oh. Aware of what I hit him for. Hi. I didn't.
Oh, wow.
Come on. I got nothing but.
Can you like not move?
No! Ron! You're Ron with that arrow.
Yay!
You must have heard me spawn. Get deranked! Ow, that hurt.
Yeah, you jumped from a fucking 2-story building. You expect it to what? Not hurt?
Good one.
That would be nice.
Someone else got that. John. John. You're an asshole.
No!
Come on, someone else. Other people are getting knife kills, and you're only playing it for yourself. You're selfish.
Should I be playing for?
Yeah. Should be playing it for.
Okay, right, fine. We'll watch the kill feed to see if anyone else
I've
gets
been
a nice
watching the
kill.
kill feed. That's all I've been doing.
Well then tell me if someone else gets a nice kill.
I have.
You know what?
All these are all things I've been doing.
What is hopping? Ah, rod. Nothing else. Yeah, that was never gonna hit. I think that's the third time I've gotten him. We're never gonna- I won't win this as much as you do.
Oh, I don't want you to win.
I'm gonna creep hard for this nice kill.
It's not up there.
Someone.
We got this.
Yeah. I'm going hard for these nice kills. Just running in there. I don't have much time left. Guys, if you liked the video, like, comment, subscribe, and we'll I don't know, I probably won't do anything like this. Thank you, Honey P, for inspiring me to do this video. And have a nice day. I'm gonna try to get a little life kill, however many times. Yep. Good job.
No.